So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use this awesome app to create your unlimited AI generated images. So at first go to the Play Store and search for Imagine, then go to the first Imagine shown. Then as you can see, there is an app Imagine AI art generator. So I have already installed this app, so it asking for the update, so I'm gonna go back, and as you can see, here is the app. So I'm gonna go to my app, and as you can see, here is a place you can enter your prompt. So I'm gonna search for suppose Spider-Man with his girlfriend UN flying together in the New York City. So suppose like I enter the prompt like Spider-Man with his girlfriend Gwen flying together in the New York City. So guys, let's see what happened. What this app will bring to me. As you can see, there is an option. You can select your style. So I am going for the comic part. So here is the anime. So I'm gonna go for the anime V2. So you can also select your aspect ratio. So for now I'm selecting this one. So guys, we have done. Now all we have to do is hit the generate button. So just hit it. So guys, as you can see, this app just generated me the similar kind of image, the prompt I just entered. So something like I just say Spider-Man with his girlfriend Gwen flying together in the, let's see, I am putting it again, New York City. So, and I'm gonna choose the style for now, the comic V2. So you can choose the aspect ratio. So let's see what happened now. So just hit the generate. So guys, as you can see, this app just generated me the similar type of prompt I just entered. So as you can see, it created me a image that shows the Spider-Man with his girlfriend Gwen flying together in the New York City. So guys, this is really awesome. So you can save the image from here, and it will ask to go for the subscription, to take the subscription, but I'm not taking the subscription. I'm just go for the done. So is it saved or not? Oh, so guys, as you can see, I have already downloaded the image. So as you can see, you can also get a watermark. So if you like this type of images, so you can go for the subscription version. So this is it. This is the best app I think to generate awesome AI images. So the and only one problem is it shows some ad to whenever you put some input and hit the generate, it will show some ad, but the output is really wonderful. So guys, thank you so much. Use this app to create your awesome AI images. Thank you.